Hi, in this video we can see how to use the edit menu with respect to how to crop, how to rotate, how to use the mirror on video, how to flip your video, how to fit. So as you select the video, tap on the mirror, you can able to see it will reflect like a mirror. Then you can apply the different background and border to your video. As you can see, you can have a different type of colors, and you can also apply images to the background. Then there is a border. You can see, you can change the color of the border, and you can increase or decrease the width of the border. You can apply blur effect to your video. If this is helpful for you, stay connected and watch more.